Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at how dark and vampy my eyes are. I am obsessed. I'm so happy to be doing a dark look. I told you guys a few videos back that I was going to show you an easy way to do a halo look, and I wanted to do something super smoky, so that is what I'm showing you guys today. I'm in love with it. I hope that you are too, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Ace Beauty Falling For You eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm going into is Squash. With my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start blending this through my crease. I always start my shadows with something that's a few shades lighter than the shadow that I'm going to be applying my crease, or just a transition shade that's a few shades darker than my skin tone. I feel like it helps to add a little bit of dimension and also makes the other shadows really nice and blendable, and helps to just diffuse everything really nicely and give you that really nice blended out, blown out look. I'm now going into Pine Cone. I'm now switching over to my Sigma E25, and I'm going to start applying this through my crease. Not too high, we are going to blend it out. So I always use the E38, which is the first brush I used for my transition shade, because it's softer and fluffier and just really buffs everything out and blows everything out really nicely. And then I switch to this brush, the E25, when I want to pack on more color and have something a little bit more deeper through the crease, and I can also use this brush to pack on shadow onto my lid. Now going into Chestnut. Once that's blended out, I'm going to apply this shadow now lower on my crease, because I still want that burgundy kind of shadow to really pop through. It might cover it up a little bit, but don't worry, we are going to bring everything back, and also it adds dimension and gives you that really nice cool effect and blended out effect with your shadow. So I'm just going back and forth and doing little circular motions to start blending it out. Just take time to blend this out, because sometimes purples are a little difficult to work with, but if you just take your time, it'll all work out and all blend out. Okay, so it's still a little bit patchy, but let's not worry about that right now. We're going to first pack this shadow onto my lid. Once that shadow is packed on, I'm switching over to my E38 and picking up Pine Cone and starting to apply this at the highest point of my crease. And now I'm picking up Squash, and this is going to really help diffuse everything out and make it look super blended. I'm now going to sweep Pine Cone on my lower lash line with my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush. And now to darken up the lower lash line, I'm going in with Chestnut. I'm picking up Spice. Now let's make this a halo look, so I'm going to apply the shadow in the center of my lid. And then I'm just taking my blending brush with nothing on it, and I just kind of diffuse the edges to make sure that's really seamless. I'm now going into Apple, and then just applying this shadow just in the very center. I like applying a lighter shade in the center. It just adds a really nice highlight and really completes and pulls together the whole halo look. I'm going into Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Rockstar. I'm now going to line my upper waterline and line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Velour Lashes and Wispy Me Away. And that's the eye look done. My eyes are so dark. I feel like I haven't done such a dark look in a while, and I'm loving it. I feel like it just brings me peace. Alright, so for lips, I wanted to do a vampy lip. I actually wanted to do this shade right here. It's so pretty. This is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick, and this is an I Enjoy. I love these so much, and I swatched it on my lip, and I was like, this is gonna look sick. But I feel like the eyes are so dark, and I really want the concentration on my eyes, so I'm deciding to go into my favorite. This is like my go-to shade. I always wear this. This is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade I Create. And that's it. This is the completed look of my dark purple halo smoky eye. I hope that you enjoyed. I love this look so much. This palette that I used was amazing. It was my first time ever using an Ace Beauty product, so I'm so happy to be kind of trying new products from different brands, and I loved it. The shadows were beautiful. I mean, they applied beautifully. The shimmers were Chef's kiss, gorgeous. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I now have 2 Instagrams, one for my nails and one for my makeup. So don't forget to follow me on both, and don't forget to check out my press-on nails. Make sure you check that out. That'll be linked down below. I sell press-on nails. I hand paint them. You can get yours. And also my brush set with Sigma is now back in stock. Finally, yay! So don't forget to check that out also. That will be all linked down below, and also the list of products that I used and brushes, of course, will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!